Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Doogee V20. You need to start by locating and opening Play Store on both smartphones. Now tap on the search bar, type and send anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. Now you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, choose Receive on your Doogee and Send on Oppo. Then you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select Send when you're ready. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo. For example that one, choose Send and click on Got It. Over here on Doogee, choose No Thanks and close this window. As you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Doogee, selecting while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here as well and connect those smartphones by tapping on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!